Imagine walking into a body shop store and you'll see it. The safe earthy greens, the muted natural tone packaging. It's nice, but what if it was bold and shouted from the shelves instead of whispering? And that's exactly what I wanted to find out. So I took the body shop from earthy and muted to bright, punchy, and impossible to ignore. So let's get started. Just a quick disclaimer that this is my little take on reimagining the body shop's design. Not saying it's better, just a different vibe. We'll start with the logo, and I want to stick to their original circle on the logo as they've had it since the beginning as a symbol of compassion and community, and I believe in keeping up the traditions. I have this rough idea of having coiled circle in the logo. I'll make more copies and try different iterations. Here I am making a custom tapered brush to apply to our logo iteration. Let's see how breaking up the circles look like. And I'm trying the feathered ends here. Terrible, I'll try something else. I also wanted to try the flower in the circle look. And another copy without the circle. Here I'm going for the layered tree bark look on the inside just to give it a more natural vibe. And another iteration with a new custom brush with these cute little leaves. I played around with a few more versions and I think I've landed on the logo I'm happy with. Yeah, this one. I'll give it a nice green color, bright enough to pop but not too dark. Next, I'll try different kinds of fonts for the body shop text. I have the text in both upper and lower case as I'm yet to decide which one to use. After trying a whole lot of fonts for our logo, I've decided to settle with this one as it feels solid and has those distinctive curves that gives it a nice and natural look. I found this gorgeous mock-up and I'm gonna jump straight into designing the packaging on it. And I know that's not really how it's done in the real world, but hey, we are here for the entertainment, right? Here I have a nice line art from rethinks.com. We can make the drawings by ourselves, but for the sake of saving time, we'll just use the pre-made assets. think the bottle looks too pink and girly now. I'll change the color of the lid and also try giving it a label rather than having the artwork all over the bottle. Now we'll start with the avocado bottle. And I'll start designing the ginger bottle. And finally, the refreshing Passionfruit jar. I initially wanted to make the yuzu bottle, but then I changed my mind. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.